Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Wei. Step by step, I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. Wei. Means position. Place. Seat. For example, 各位. Everybody. All of you. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our company. 各位早上好，欢迎来到我们公司。Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. And welcome to our company. "各位早上好。欢迎来到我们公司。欢迎来到我们公司。各位早上好。Good morning, everyone. 欢迎来到 Welcome to 我们公司 Our company. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our company. Wei in cursive. Wei, position, place, seat, 各位 everybody, all of you. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our company. 各位早上好，欢迎来到我们公司。Wei. Please comment any words or sentence with the character Wei. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.